Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 5th, 2022. Today, verb game. 10 questions. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Let's begin. Number 1. He is standing there alone. He is. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. He's not going anywhere. Slowly waiting. Quickly waiting. He's waiting. The basic form is to wait. Also, to wait somewhere. Number 2. We will a story for our school project. This is similar to make, come up with, create. We will create a story for our school project. Jennifer, her grandparents, very much. Grandparents means grandmother and grandfather. This means she admires them. She thinks highly of them. She respects them very much. To respect somebody. And we also say to respect something. Please check your dictionary for all of these verbs. Their mother will the pizza into 12 pieces. This is similar to divide. Separate. She'll separate the pizza into 12 pieces. Bob told us a story about his life when he was in college. Do you believe his story, or do you it? The B is silent. Can you pronounce it? Doubt. Or do you doubt it? To doubt something. It's in between believing something and not believing. Oh no! The water onto the floor. Somebody was using the water in the sink, but then they weren't watching it, and there was too much water. And the second missing letter is a W. The water overflowed onto the floor. A real problem. This could be a mistake, or it could be a problem with the plumbing. Did you already a flight to Algeria? A flight is a trip on an airplane, and this verb means to arrange. Algeria is in Africa, and this verb is also a level 1 noun. Book. Did you already book a flight to Algeria? The people will align. First, there's a big group of people, a big circle, but they will align. It's similar to make a line. Everybody will have one person in front of them and one person behind. Form. The people will form a line. And it has many meanings. Please check your dictionaries. You can also form a group, which means to start a group. Many meanings. After a long battle, our country finally victory. This is similar to say or to speak, to tell the world that you are the winner. Declare. After a long battle, our country finally declared victory. To declare something. Many different usages. Please see your dictionaries. The next one is about the stock market in business, buying and selling shares. We think that the value of that stock will go down, so we will it. This is a trading strategy, a way that you can make money even if the value of the stock is going down. We will short the stock. Usually when people buy, they go long on a stock. But you could also short a stock. In today's game, number 1, wait. Number 3, respect. Number 5, doubt. Number 7, book. And number 8, form are all also nouns in our program. Number 10, to short something. Short is also an adjective and an adverb. To cut your hair short. Number 4, to separate. Also to separate something. It's also an adjective and the pronunciation is different. For the adjective we say separate. Game over! How did you do? 10 out of 10 again? That's fantastic. What country do you live in? How do you spell it? What about yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Where did you go? And tell me about tomorrow. What will you do tomorrow? Fantastic. You're doing very well. I'll see you in 2 days, everybody. Bye-bye.